Hello, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Don't forget to hit the little bell for the notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a video or go live. Okay, here is something I made by cutting off the handles to some forks. Let's see if I can bring it up. It's a little trick that Tiktus did on his channel, which was, believe it or not, it was a thing from his mom, a suggestion from his mom. Now, please don't scream. I didn't like this painting because I had too much paint on it, so my flower field ran. So I am gonna pour over it. I am first putting down a base coat of white and hoping that the white covers it up. It's the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic white base coat, so it should. And then I'm going to put it in the middle, and hopefully, hopefully I should say, stuff comes out of it through the forks. So let me just even this out a little bit. Oh, I got bubbles. I'm going to have to pop those. I see way too many bubbles. I'm just trying to even this out. Come on. Don't make me put my finger in there. Well, you know, it's okay. I can always paint my sides later, but can you see those air bubbles? Egads. I had a torch. Ha, it's hiding. It's hiding. Okay, I'm just popping the air bubbles. My base coat is mixed 1 part Artist Loft paint to 3 parts Floetrol, then water to thin it down. All of my paints are mixed the same way, but with less water. Okay, that looks pretty much in the center. Okay, let me move that guy. Okay, now the colors I'm using 3 metallics and a primary yellow. My first color is Modern Masters Venetian Blue, mixed with 1 part paint, 3 parts Floetrol. Oh, come on, Cap. So I'm just going to do a little bit of the blue. Then I'm going to do, this is Iridescent Violet Blue number 356 by Pebeo. And I'm going to do some of that on top. Who knows how it's going to come out. Okay, now, well, now that's probably too thin. I wanted to put, well, I'll just put some of this black metallic in there. I don't have a thick enough white. I didn't think this through about the colors. So I'm going to put this metallic black on top of it. Let it come out. And then I'm going to put some more of the pink on top of it, because I was going to put the yellow, but you never put yellow next to black, because it comes out looking like a, in my eyes, a baby puke green. And I just noticed that my canvas was not centered at all. Okay, this is just Amsterdam's primary yellow. And now I'm going to put some more blue in there on top of this. And now it's seeping out very slowly, but at least it's seeping out. I don't remember him doing a flower shape, but we will see. I'm trying to get the rest of the paint out of there. Not going to do a napkin. Well, I'm going to have to end up messing up the flower. I can't see. I should have watched his right before I did this. So I am going to just twirl this to the side. And let's see how the bubbles look. I better pop bubbles because all those paints were just shook. Will tilt a little bit of it off. I am going to link his video down below because in his video he shows you how he made that little contraption. Woo! This is wild. And I'm going to be honest, I still got a lot of paint on there. I put way too much paint on this for it being an 8x10, but that's okay because the colors have now covered up the sides. Okay. I see a few more little bubbles I need to pop, and I see a couple of little spots on these corners that need some paint. Well, I can't remember what kind of a design he got, but I like what I got. I got way too much paint on my gloves. But I see a couple of more bubbles, so I do want to go in there and pop them. Okay. See, there was one right there, a big one. Okay, there is no silicone in these paints. This is just the density of the paints working against each other. Now, I'm going to have to say that I like the orientation this way because it looks like a blue flower coming up. Okay. I need to get a little bit of paint there. A little bit of paint right here. And I got more air bubbles. Where are all these air bubbles coming from? I have no idea. Okay, so it's got metallics in it. 3 of the 4 were, well, 2 were metallics, 1 was iridescent, and 1 was just primary yellow. So tell me down in the comments what you think of this. It's hard to see on camera, but I even got some detailing in this, you know, some little lines in this blue down here. So I probably will be able to show the dried result when I go to put up this video. So I want you to stay tuned. Oh, what did I do right there? I don't know if I did something or not. right there I got a little bit of a problem. I think I did a little drop of paint, so I just want to get rid of that little white spot right there. Well, it doesn't look all that great still, but it'll have to do. So, tell me what you think down in the comments. These were wooden forks. I'm going to try to clean them off, see if I can save it to use another time. But you can always buy some more forks, and I just got it taped around a cookie cutter. So please tell me down in the comments what you think of this, and stay tuned for the dried results.